I'm going to do headlight restoration on my vehicle here, 2013 Honda CRV. They're not horribly bad, but I want them to be shiny and new. So I'm going to use this 3M Restore and Protect Headlight Restoration Kit that I got off of Amazon. I think it was 10 bucks. I'm unsure. I'll post it, the price. But it comes with two sandpapers. One is a 1000 grit and one is a 3000 grit. And they're both wet sand. So you start out with the 1000 grit and then move up to the 3000. But I'm going to tape off the headlight because I don't want to accidentally sand the paint. So let's get that taped up. Okay, so I have both headlights taped up, ready to go. I have my bucket of water, and Kiwi's going to help me. And let's open up the kit here. Okay, so like I said, there's two sandpapers in here. It comes with gloves. Some of these kits come with tape. This particular one does not come with tape. It comes with, oh, maybe it does. No, that's the sandpaper. And this is the little sander with Velcro on it. You just attach the sandpaper. This is the 1000 grit one. This is the 3000. And these are the clear coats for the headlights. I mean, a lot of people can use like toothpaste and stuff to sand your headlights, but then you still have to seal them so they're protected. So that's where these come in. I will probably only put the gloves on for the clear coat. For the sanding portion, I won't be wearing gloves. You can get a spray bottle. I have a tub of water here that I'm just going to dip it in, and with the headlights, and let's get to it. This milkiness is what you want to see. That means it's doing its job. After you have dried and wiped this off, you will see it is foggy, probably foggier than when you started. And then when you sand the 3000 paper, it won't look much better probably. But once you put the clear coat on, that's when you see the results. So let me just finish this up here, do both sides with the 1000 grit, and I'll get back to you. See, now that it's drying, it's got that foggy look. So I'm going to do the 3000 grit now. And it should shine up a little bit better. It won't be as foggy, but then when I put the clear coat on, you'll see the difference. I try to go in circular motions. On the edges you have to go straight. There's no way of not doing that to get into these tight spots. Go over it as much as you want. The longer the better, I say. Get it more sanded. They say when you see the yellow coming off, mines weren't real yellow, mine were just getting a little faded. That white that you see is basically the plastic coming off, very fine. So I'll keep doing this and let it dry. I'll get back to you. Okay, now this is the part I don't understand. The instructions say take the tape off after you're done sanding and then apply the wipes. And then it also says if you get any on your trim or on your car to immediately wipe it off. Well, if you take the tape off, you don't have to do that, correct? I might be wrong. Anyways, it does say to do one coat on each headlight and then come back with the second packet and do a second coat after, I think, 15 minutes or so. If it's humid out, you don't really want to do this, or you want to wait for it to dry longer. Okay, now that everything's clean and dry, I got my glove on. I guess they only give you one glove. I guess you only really need one glove. We'll open the packet here and we'll get started. I'm going to leave it folded, and I'm going to touch it with my other hand, but I'm going to leave it folded like this for now. Just wipe. Just wipe. Wow, I like. Kind of overlap a little bit. Let's turn it over. Let that dry for a while. I'll go over and do the other headlight. Okay, now for the second coat. Okay, that is it. That is the finished product. They look pretty good. Perfect? I don't know, but they are pretty near perfect for a car that's 13 or 14 years old. This is a 2013. They weren't so bad. I think maybe the previous owner had done this, but he kept the car in pretty good shape. But yeah, that's it. That's my project done and complete.